So guys, our 10,000 Rand DTF giveaway competition is finally coming to a close. And I've taken the t-shirts behind me with the most amount of signatures, and what we're going to do is go ahead and tally them up to see who's actually won. From there, we'll give the person a call, so while that's happening, stand by while we count those signatures. So Tavonga, if you can confirm with me, that is the winner, clear as day.
Yes, this is the winner. I confirm that.
At 43 signatures, that is the winner. Well, now that I know who the winner is, stand by because we're going to give them a call. Okay, so I've got the lady's number that's actually just won this 10,000 Rand DTF competition, and we're going to give her a call right now and let her know that she's won. So let's do it. There we go. Hi Anya, how are you?
Hi, thanks to me.
Good, good. Glad I can hear you. I just wanted to give you a call because we are letting you know that you have won the 10,000 Rand DTF competition. What do you say about that?
Oh, that's amazing. Thank you so much.
Oh, that's awesome. I must say that you did quite a cool t-shirt. I never thought that Catzilla would win, so well done to you. We're going to give you a call just now to actually arrange your prize. So thank you very much, and we'll chat to you later.
Oh, thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you for entering, and cheers.
Bye-bye.
And that's it, guys. The 10,000 Rand DTF competition giveaway won by Anya, and that's pretty cool. So guys, kudos to this person, second place, well done to this person, because there wasn't that many signatures difference from this to first place. And again, thank you for everyone that has entered, because if you did go ahead before this video and create an account on buythis.co.za, you will be receiving for every entry 200 Rand credit to spend on the store. So thank you again for entering, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit AM.CO.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. AM.CO.za, achievement matters.